Back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup slash Zara haul. So I know you guys absolutely love a haul, so I thought why not, let's get cracking. Done a bit of shopping because it was payday weekend, so I thought right, let's film it. So let's start off first with the Zara try on haul. If you'd like to see what bits I've got and how they actually fit me, then stay tuned. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up and leave a cheeky comment down in the comment section. Thank you. So my first item from Zara is this gorgeous crop sleeves roll neck sort of top. So I've paired it with, I'll just turn my camera lower. I've paired it with these cute little pants. Actually, these pants are from Zara as well. I got these from Zara last year, and I thought it'd look really cute with this. Kind of screaming Christmas vibes. But yeah, loving these. This top was only $7.99 from Zara, so it comes in loads of colours as well. But it's really warm and I feel like it's good for all year round, like spring, autumn, winter, you know. So the second item is this sleeveless roll neck midi dress. So I'll just pop my camera down just so you can really see the dress. So yeah, this dress, it's a midi dress, so it comes like down to here, and do you know what? I'm really feeling it. It's like nice material, it's just like kind of like that t-shirt material that I had on a moment ago. And I think you could wear this, like you could either really dress it up with heels or something, or go more casual with like Dr. Martens, which is what I think I'd do. Yeah, no, I'm loving it, proper nice. This was only $9.99 from Zara and it comes in other colours. I think they've done it in black, grey, khaki, and I think that was it actually. I think there was 3 different colours and it was only $9.99. I'm wishing I got more now. On to the next one. So the next item is this cute burgundy dress. It's kind of like a jumper material because it is quite thick, but it's made it a bit more girly because it's got the frills and it's not too short, you know. You can wear heels with it, so I'd be like quite tall, or I'd probably wear my Dr. Martens with it. But yeah, no, it's really cute, super comfy, super roomy, because I think it is meant to be oversized. So that's why I did get a size small, just because I didn't want it to be too baggy, do you know what I mean? I feel like this is perfect. But yeah, this is only $19.99. I do this in different colours as well. So my final item from Zara is this purple lilac sort of colour bodysuit. So obviously it does up underneath, and I've styled it with a pair of jean shorts just because I feel like this is what I would probably wear it with, or some leather shorts or a leather skirt. You could even wear it with like leather leggings or jeans, just it's whatever you know, whatever you're doing on a day and whatever you think will look nice with it. So this bodysuit was only $12.99. I got it in a size small just because I thought I didn't want it to be too, you know, too baggy or anything. So it's super comfy, really nice material, and it did come in lots of colours, but this was the only colour that had my size, and you know me, I do like quite colourful clothing, so I thought let's go for a purple. But yeah, I would probably wear this like bodysuit. You can literally wear it with anything, you can dress it up, dress it down. But yeah, $12.99, Zara, absolute bargain, and also it matches my makeup. So yeah, now we're going to go on to the makeup items. So now I've got my basket full of makeup bits that I've been buying. So first I'm going to go in with some lashes. So I ordered a few different styles of lashes from Unicorn Cosmetics, and I've actually got a style on now as well. These styles that I'm wearing at the moment are in lemon meringue, but I did get a few different ones just to try out on some looks and some clients. So yeah, I mean, this is my first time actually wearing them, and I'm actually loving them. They're so lightweight and really, really fluffy. I find with some strip lashes, the actual strip is quite stiff, so you can kind of feel it irritating your eye. But with these ones, I literally can't feel it. It actually feels amazing, so thumbs up for those. I'm not sure how much these actually go for because I do get a discount with them. But yeah, highly recommend, so I'll pop their link down in the description box below. So my next buy has been the MUA Makeup Academy. This is the cream blush. This is in the shade Tango. So I've been liking cream products at the moment, like cream contour, cream blush, cream highlighter. And this was only £2.50. So I actually got this off of Beauty Bay, which was really cheap and cheerful. So yeah, good buy. It comes in loads of different colours as well, but that was the only one I had in stock at that time. So I will definitely be buying more shades. Then I got the Nars Natural Radiant Foundation. This is in the shade Barcelona. So I did get quite a darker shade simply because I will normally use this foundation if I'm going out or if I've got a little bit of tan on. So yeah, I've actually got it on today, hence I look glowing. But yeah, so this normally retails at £35, but I do think Look Fantastic have got an offer and I think they're doing 20% off, so go get yourself a little bargain. Then my absolute favourite, I've actually used this today as well. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Liquid Glow Highlighter. So this is in the shade Oyster. It's super nice, super cute packaging, I'll show you. It's like heaven. So this is, normally retails at £27, which is quite expensive when you think about it. So Beauty Bay are actually doing this product on offer for £20.25. So it's an absolute bargain, well worth the money. So go and get yourself another bargain. And do you know what? I've never tried Doll Beauty lipsticks. I've tried their highlighters and bronzers. But I finally decided to try one of their lipsticks. This is in the shade Get Lippy. And I've actually got this on underneath my gloss. So it is super nice, proper nice nude. And yeah, I think they retail at £13 each, but I had a discount code at the time, so I did get it a little bit cheaper. But yeah, £13, but they are really good quality. I think this one's a matte texture. So then obviously, you know, I always stock up on my favourite Plouise base in the shade number 2. So I got a new 30ml bottle of this because I do go through it quite a lot. I use it on most of my clients and obviously on myself, so I go through it a lot. So got myself that little baby. Can't think of what that goes for, but have a look on the Plouise website. I'll put the link in the description box down below. So now we're going to move on to Halloween because obviously it's October, and on my Instagram page, if you haven't actually had a look or you ain't following me already, I'll put the link in the description box down below. I've been doing some Halloween looks and there is going to be plenty more to come. So make sure you follow my Instagram and turn the post notifications on so you don't miss any crazy looks coming. Basically, I went to Home Bargains the other day when I was buying some stuff for my house, and I bought some cheap Halloween makeup because obviously you're literally going to put it on and wipe it off, so there's no point going expensive. So I bought the cream makeup. I got it in black and white. So I've got white and black face paint as well. But I thought I'd try these just because they were only like £1 each. So I thought, you know, no harm in trying. So I'd use them just to like paint my face, you know, for whatever kind of look I'm doing. And then I ordered these. I ordered a few things off Amazon as well. So I also got these in Home Bargains. So these trick or treat clips, which I thought were really cute because if I do like a look, I can put them in my hair and I think it would just really top the look off. I think it would look really cute. And they were £1.99. I did buy a few things from Amazon. I bought these face paint sticks. So I thought these were really cool because sometimes when you've actually got an actual like round face paint pot, I find it's hard to get like the shape and stuff, whereas this, it's just going to be like a thick eyeliner, ain't it? So that's why I thought I'd try these. These were £6.99 for 2, but they came literally like a day or 2 after I'd ordered it, so it was well worth it. And obviously I'm going to give these a try. I haven't yet tried these yet. So keep an eye on my Instagram for crazy Halloween looks. I also ordered some sponges, a 4-pack, which are high density. I'm guessing it will help me with the face paint because I've tried it with my actual own makeup sponges and like cheap ones, for example, like these. And it's just not doing the job. It's not making it look smooth. So I ordered these ones, which are for face paint. So let's see how they go. And then I also ordered some hair colour spray. So this is green. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what look I've got planned to do with this, but if you haven't guessed already, then you have to wait and see on my Instagram. Yeah, I mean, I think that's about it, to be honest. I bought a few other little things, but I don't really want to tell you what they are because it's going to give away what sort of Halloween looks I'm going to be doing. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching my Zara try on haul and my little makeup haul. So yeah, if you'd like to see more videos like this, then feel free to let me know. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up and leave a cheeky comment down in the comment section. Thank you.